Did you know that vipers have one of the fastest strike speeds in the animal kingdom, with some species able to strike their prey in less than a second? A fascinating world is concealed beneath those scales, a world that is as compelling as it is intimidating. Meet the vipers, a diverse family of snakes known for their venomous bite and lightning-fast strike. These serpents are not confined to any single corner of our planet. With the exception of Australia and Antarctica, you can find vipers on every continent. Whether it's the rattling presence of the rattlesnake in North and South America, the stealthy adder in Europe and Asia, or the puff adder's deadly hiss in Africa, vipers have made their mark across the globe. Their world is filled with intriguing behaviors, exceptional adaptations, and complex relationships with their environment. But these creatures are more than just their venomous reputation. They are integral parts of our ecosystems, and they have stories worth telling. Now that we've peeled back the first layer of mystery surrounding vipers, let's delve deeper into their fascinating lives. From the moment they hatch from their eggs, vipers embark on a dangerous and thrilling journey. Their life begins in a clutch of eggs, typically numbering anywhere from 10 to 60, hidden away in a safe and secluded spot. Upon hatching, these young vipers are already equipped with venomous fangs and are ready to fend for themselves. The life of a viper is no easy journey. Over the next 10 to 20 years, they will grow, molt, and navigate the perils of their environment. The molting process, a unique spectacle of nature, is a vital part of a viper's growth and survival. As the viper grows, it sheds its old, worn-out skin, revealing a vibrant new layer beneath. This process not just symbolizes growth, but also allows the viper to rid itself of parasites and other skin ailments. So, the life of a viper is a continuous cycle of growth, survival, and regeneration. But where do these captivating creatures live? From dense forests to arid deserts, vipers have made almost every corner of the world their home. Let's take a trip around the globe. In the temperate and tropical regions, you can find these intriguing creatures lurking in the undergrowth or slithering through the grasslands. They've even been spotted in urban areas, making the most of human habitats. You might be wondering, how do they survive in such diverse conditions? Well, vipers are ectothermic, which means they depend on their surroundings to regulate their body temperature. When they need to warm up, they bask in the sunlight, soaking up the rays on a rock or a patch of warm soil. And when it gets too hot, they retreat to the cool shade or burrow underground. Their adaptability doesn't stop there. With their cryptic coloration, they camouflage perfectly into their environment, becoming nearly invisible to both prey and predators. As we've seen, vipers are incredibly adaptable, thriving in a variety of environments. But what makes them such successful predators? Armed with venomous fangs and a masterful disguise, vipers are formidable hunters. These ambush predators use their stealth and camouflage to remain undetected until their prey comes within striking range. Their long, hollow fangs, neatly tucked away when their mouth is closed, can be swiftly erected to deliver a fatal dose of venom. This venom, a complex mixture of proteins and enzymes, primarily consists of hemotoxins that disrupt blood clotting, potentially causing internal bleeding and organ damage. Many viper species have evolved cryptic coloration and patterns that help them blend into their surroundings, making them nearly invisible to both prey and potential threats. Some vipers, like the infamous rattlesnake, even possess a specialized structure at the end of their tails called a rattle. When threatened, they produce a distinctive buzzing sound, serving as a warning signal to potential predators. Clearly, vipers are well equipped for survival, but what role do they play in our world? From feared predators to revered symbols, vipers hold a unique place in our world. In the wild, their role is twofold. As predators, they keep populations of small mammals and other vertebrates in check, contributing to the balance of nature. On the flip side, they serve as a valuable source of food for larger predators like birds of prey and mammals, further tightening the intricate web of life. Culturally, vipers have left their mark too. Different societies have painted them with various brushes, from symbols of fertility and healing to embodiments of evil or danger. Yet, despite their significance, these snakes face numerous threats. Habitat loss, fragmentation, and human persecution due to fear or misunderstanding pose serious challenges to their survival. This makes conservation efforts all the more critical. Protecting these creatures is not just about preserving a fascinating species, but also about maintaining the delicate equilibrium of our ecosystems. So, whether they inspire awe or fear, one thing is clear. Vipers are truly remarkable creatures, deserving of our respect and protection.